What is positive freedom? What is negative freedom? Mhm. We generally talk about freedom and we think the synonym is liberty. Yes. But when we take the liberty to do anything without any external constraints, no parents to say no, no teachers to call us to the class, no employers to tell us what to do and what not to do, no government to keep a check on our activities. So, when there are no external constraints, that is negative freedom. We think we want that, but that is negative. I mean, you don't have any constraints, that's why you are enjoying. But then, what is positive freedom? That comes into the picture when you have all the liberties, but then you use your sense, your maturity, your discernment, your judgment to realize and to kind of do what is right, what is wrong. Okay, so we have got a passage on that. Brace yourself for that. It's going to be slightly philosophical, but not difficult at all, I'm telling you. In fact, you will learn reading. Okay, so the gospel, main idea, map the passage, locate important zones, pin the type of questions, elimination techniques. All these are components, the ingredients that help make your RC very easy. Okay, so it's online freedom and negative liberty. The genre is political philosophy connected with social theory, and of course, it's easy to moderate. कितना बड़ा पैसेज है ये? एक दो तीन चार, अरे भाई बड़ा है ये तो. Okay, four and a half paragraphs. I can see liberty, regulation, monitoring, restrictions, negative liberty, such words are there across the passage, right? So I understand, उसी की बात चल रही है, but then the thing is, main idea क्या है? As the topic suggested, main idea is connected with online freedom. Okay, so पहले questions देख लेते हैं. This question looks very long, but do not get worried. This says positive and communal liberties encourage us to attempt a prison escape. From what? From an excessively limited concept. Okay, which of the following best summarizes the author's argument? That means the author has given us this sentence somewhere in the passage. So this is what we call specific inference. No need to worry. Do your organized reading of the passage. Then take this sentence, go back, locate it, set your range, 2 lines up, 2 lines down, read that. Come back for the first round of elimination. Then if the need be, go back for the second round of reading and then come back and decide which one is the answer. ठीक है, तो बहुत ही typical, बहुत ही simple type का हो जाएगा. If your vocabulary is decent. If your vocab is not in place, how will you do the rephrasing? जो समरी पूछा है, जो इन्फरेंस पूछा है, how will you do that? तो आप समझ गए मैं क्या कहना चाह रही हूँ. Vocabulary improve करते रहो. Second question says what? The author suggests that the application of this has which one of the following effects on the online world? Now that you know the meaning of negative liberty, it's going to be easier. Application of negative liberty. There is no constraint, no restraint. Which one of the following effects on the online world? What will happen if there are no restraints? देखेंगे. Which of the following actions to enhance online liberty would the author most likely subscribe to? Enhance online liberty, this depends on the author's perspective, the conclusion that he draws at the end of the passage. Through the second and third paragraphs, so this is para-related, very nice. The author establishes what? So basically, he's asking you for the essence of the second and third paras, or the flow, the organization of the second and third paras, right? So I would like to start with which question? I'll tell you this one. Okay, ध्यान रखना, sequence in which you answer the questions is very important. It actually helps you. Because if I do this and then I do the last one, this one, what will happen? I will gain a lot of information from the passage as I progress, as I solve these questions. then solving the other two will become easier for me. Hope you understood my point. Okay? So, what does it say? First para is pretty big. I'm going to skim the middle portion. Abhi dekho aap kaise. The concepts monitoring and regulation are linked with a particular interpretation of liberty. Monitoring, regulation can be done by anybody. The government, the parents, anybody. Liberty from something such as from interference. We don't want interference from the government. Regulation, restrictions, right? The philosopher Hannah termed this negative liberty. I have already explained negative liberty to you. Freedom from constraints, external constraints, not internal. Okay. Internal जब आप अपना regulate करोगे, that is positive freedom. This form of liberty is intimately connected to the democratic principles of Northern European nations. Negative liberty, no constraints. So intimately connected to what? Democratic principles of these. The notion of freeing oneself from unwelcome restrictions is equally present in numerous discussions about the dangers of. Now he brings in the main thing. He connects the online platforms. Freeing oneself from restrictions, from algo, from monitoring done by the government. ये online platform पे भी है. Consequently, the most crucial benchmarks. So now you can see I'm not skimming this portion because I know that this is important. अब ये तो आपके judgment पे depend करेगा on your discernment. Like when you gain practice, when you read more and more, you will understand what portions are important, what can be skimmed. So यहाँ पे अब मैंने change कर दिया अपना point. बड़ा paragraph है, but I'm going to read this. Consequently, the most crucial benchmarks for online liberty tend to be those that align with this democratic negative. So, online platforms pay, we want negative freedom. No external restriction should be there. Okay? Negative interpretation such as this. Yet, here comes in the main idea. Okay. While this framework offers important theoretical perspectives, the threat of expanding monitoring for freedom of speech and this, for instance, it's this, something kuch bahut dense bol gaya. No need to worry. Forget the rest of the passage. Since there is yet here, I know that this is very important. So I'm going to leave the rest of the passage for the time being and I'm just going to read this last bit again to understand what he says because this is the main idea, I think. While this framework offers important theoretical perspectives, the threat of expanding monitoring for freedom of speech and this, for instance, its dominant position in our understanding of liberty, okay, this framework, negative wala, although it gives important this, now he's going to show something negative about it, right? Its dominant position in our understanding of liberty threatens us, overlooking other equally vital considerations in the online realm. So main idea is what? Very, very simple. The author says negative freedom is what we try to use while we are there on the online platforms. But then on the one hand, where it kind of looks like acha theek hai, it's like, kahan gaya ye? Theoretical perspectives and all, it's important. On the other hand, it threatens us overlooking other vital considerations. There are other things that we need to understand, we need to notice in the online system. Okay, so this liberty stops us from understanding those. Clear hai? Now we can relax and skim here and there. Unlike the negative liberty from restrictions, positive. Now Hannah Arendt's term for possessing this, okay. She brings in another one, positive liberty. Why do you need to read the entire thing if you know the meaning of positive freedom? Just skim a little bit. Emphasizes civic engagement, okay? Civic, communal, right? Advancement, okay, conception, contemplating positively, ये देखो, principles. Now I'm doing vertical reading, words लेके आगे बढ़ती जा रही हूँ मैं, ठीक है? Represented, okay, online evolution, inquiries, okay. Now I'm going to read this. So the inquiries regarding online liberty are not merely how can we forestall a monitoring state? How can we stop a monitoring state? But additionally, which positive civic and democratic values do we wish to see encouraged and who determines that? Simple language में बोले तो not just how to battle a monitoring state, but how to inculcate those values in us that will actually help us on the online platform. So this is like, talking about internal, introspective based, introspection based, right? Ye ho gaya. Then the alternative interpretation of liberty that offers productive territory for consideration here, communal liberty, is presented by contemporary this. Ab Ragnar Johansson ka koi point aa gaya. There is one alternative interpretation, something for consideration. And what is that? Communal liberty. If there is a question on communal liberty, I'll come back. But for now, I know that communal means connected with the community. Civic, connected with like, your peers, engagement with all, is presented by this. Okay, contents. What is his philosophy? I'm not going to read. Instead, we communal bata raha hai, me, okay. Our behaviors also shape others, okay. So we, I, all right. No need to read all that. Okay? Positive and communal liberties encourage us. So the author likes these two. Encourage us to attempt a prison escape from an excessively limited concept of liberty as the non-existence of compulsion. Don't think he's talking about prison escape here from Guantanamo Bay or Tihar jail. ऐसा नहीं है. He says positive and communal liberties encourage us to attempt a prison escape. तोड़ के निकलो उस framework को जो negative liberty का आपने बना रखा है. From an excessively limited concept, narrow concept of liberty, that is the negative concept, negative liberty, as the non-existence of compulsion. Right? Now the last para, quite long. Let's see what best portions we can read. Our one commitment of the web was that it would enable global connectedness and allow physical distance to recede into insignificance. That is what the web said. That it would reduce distances, correct? Allow this to recede into this. Indeed, we can sustain this, okay. This has broadened the opportunities of us, connected with communal liberty. Simultaneously changes, okay, harmful, isolate ourselves, online platform, okay. Bubbles and echo chambers. That is your reading topic for today. हर सेशन में मैं बताती हूँ ऐसा ऐसा पॉइंट्स दैट एज अ कैट एस्पिरेंट यू शुड नो. Okay, जैसे in one of my sessions I said determinism, technological determinism came there. You should know the meaning. Like today this positive and negative freedom, ये बहुत commonly occurring thing है. Okay, so you should know these meanings. Echo chambers connected to online platform. Bubbles, how can you not know this? Go and do your reading. These new domains often represent a new us against them separation, polarization. Discussion boundaries solidify. Boundaries are there. In terms of Johansson's reasoning, these changes restrict or deny us of the communal this. So today what is happening? Today we are getting more and more restricted and more polarized because of these bubbles and echo chambers. Bubbles are what? We stay within our cocoons. We think this is our world. We become more and more intolerant. Echo chambers, whatever I believe in, the internet reinforces that. So it doesn't give me the chance to look at that thing from another perspective. You get it? That is echo chambers. Whatever I think, whatever I'm saying, the internet is echoing that. So मुझे नया कहाँ से मिलेगा? Okay, such interesting points these are, है ना? इसलिए मैंने बोला आज आप reading कर लेना. चलो, so the passage is pretty cool. The negative, positive. The first para talks about negative liberty, Hannah Arendt, and then explanation of that, blah, 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 online realm. Second one talks about the positive and then something, something. The last line gives you a question. Third one talks about communal. And then the author says these two are good. The last paragraph talks about how these days we are getting more and more confined within our echo chambers. And that is leading to these repercussions. हो गया. Now I'll take you over to the questions. पहले हमने ये करना था. Right. Positive and communal liberties encourage us to attempt prison escape from an excessively limited concept. Okay. Remember, we read those two lines. जहाँ मैंने बोला this prison escape is breaking away from that internal constraint, the one that we have developed. Okay. What is the author's argument in this? Simple language में बोले तो infer करना है, interpret करना है. Positive and communal liberties allow us to abandon the reductionist idea of negative liberty. Right? So, positive and communal liberties are the heroes. They allow us to get rid of the minimizing thing, a reductionist idea of negative thing. Right? Excessively limited concept. Simple game यहाँ खेल रहा है rephrasing. So, this is good. I'll keep it. इस line का meaning ही तो पूछा है. The idea of a non-existence of compulsion is antithetical to the idea of positive and communal liberties. This is just wordplay, distortion. The idea of a non-existence of compulsion is antithetical. यहाँ होना चाहिए the idea of existence of compulsion, sorry, non-existence of compulsion. ठीक है, the idea of a non-existence of compulsion means what? Negative liberty. We don't have constraints, external constraints. So यहाँ क्या होना चाहिए? In order to be correct, the idea of a non-existence of compulsion or the idea of negative liberty is antithetical to the positive nine, is not so desirable in front of positive and communal liberties, or should be done away with in the presence of positive and communal, as these will help us grow further. So antithetical is kind of extreme. एकदम starkly opposite, hostile. So we can eliminate this. Positive and communal liberties can free us from the prison of restrictive. ये prison वाला है इसमें भी. I'm just going to read it again because this can be the answer. Positive and communal liberties can free us from the prison of a restrictive definition of compulsion. I'll keep both. We should accept positive and communal liberties to break away from any narrow idea of liberty. We are not talking about any narrow idea of liberty. We are talking specifically about negative liberty. So between 1 and 3, now what is the difference? Okay. This says, allow us to abandon the reductionist idea. Question क्या पूछ रहा है? I keep telling you in my sessions, keep reconnecting with your question. It shouldn't happen that while you're looking for the answer, you forget what the question is asking. Summarizes the author's argument means you need an option with good words. It shouldn't be like, minimum words. No, good words. So, allow us to abandon the reductionist idea, limited concept of liberty as the non-existence of this. This says positive and communal liberties can free us from the prison of a restrictive definition of compulsion. Just the restrictive definition? No, this one has better words because it connects with this excessively limited concept, reductionist idea. It reduces our way of thinking. It has this regressive effect on us. That is why this should be your answer. I hope you understood between 1 and 3 how we eliminated. There is nothing wrong with 3, like nothing much wrong with 3. Positive and communal liberties, they can free us, okay, from the prison of this. Do they teach us how to get rid of this? Do they teach us how to rise above it? No, they just help us free. एक वो बात हुई कि they help us free ourselves from तिहाड़ जेल. बाहर निकल के हमने क्या किया हमें नहीं पता. दूसरा है they help us free ourselves from तिहाड़ jail and mend our ways or get rid of that revenge attitude. Got it? So between this and this is much better because positive liberty has that positive effect on us. Communal liberty also. ठीक है? Done with this. Then we were supposed to go to this one. ठीक है? Para related. Second and third paras में वो क्या करने की कोशिश कर रहा है? He establishes what? I'm going to first check the second and third again. So second one is positive liberty. Who determines that? He says. Then he talks about communal liberty. So I can see he is trying to bring in two suggestions, two things that can actually help shape our thoughts Okay, so here, through this, he establishes what? Positive and communal liberties, though different in some ways, aim to achieve a similar outcome. Different in some ways aim to achieve a similar outcome. सही लग रहा है मुझे तो ये. Okay. Liberty is a diverse idea that entails positive and communal liberties in addition to negative liberty. Is he trying to show this? that तीनों आओ मिलके साथ साथ रहेंगे, भाई भाई खेलेंगे? No, not at all. He is saying how we can reduce that negative liberty वाला attitude. So diverse idea. सब लोग आ जाओ साथ में रहेंगे. No. The tone changes. Positive and communal liberties augment the notion or increase the notion that liberty is achieved through participation. Communal is through participation, positive is not through participation. If you know the meaning of both, you don't need to go back again and again. Liberty is achieved through participation is given here. Isolated confinement nahi hai. Instead, we constantly engage with others as a communal me, this. Positive ka thode hai ye. Right. So this is eliminated. I'm left with 1 and 4. What does 4 say? Positive and communal liberties offer a broader understanding of liberty than negative liberty. Now between 1 and 4. He is not asking us the meaning of communal and positive liberties. Okay. He is telling, the question is asking us, why is he writing the second and third paras? He's writing the second and third paras to show the importance of these two forms of liberties. Okay. Here it says, though different, aim to achieve a similar outcome. Go back to this. Encourage us to this alternative interpretation that offers productive territory for consideration, communal liberty, okay. Purchasers also shape others and constitute who they are. Expressed differently, our fellow people, okay, so liberty is accomplished not only through them or even despite them, but in them. So I cannot even say that they, that this achieve a similar outcome बोले तो this encourages us to participate, encourages to do that. और इसमें ये है positive में it encourages us to introspect, reflect. Okay, that's why this is better. कहाँ गया ये? One more point, as I said, he's not asking us what do positive and communal liberties, how are positive and communal liberties connected, ये ने पूछा है. इसने पूछा है ऑथर क्यों दे रहा है उनका डिस्क्रिप्शन. सो ऑथर दे रहा है उनका डिस्क्रिप्शन. इन द फर्स्ट पैरा ही एक्सप्लेन नेगेटिव लिबर्टी. अकॉर्डिंग टू हिम दैट्स द प्रॉब्लम. वी नीड टू गेट ओवर दैट ऑन व्हेन इट कम्स टू ऑनलाइन arena. Okay, and then he brings in these two and he says we can move towards this. So he is trying to show this, establishes that these offer a broader understanding of liberty than this. This is much better. Got it, right? Okay, so we are done with these two questions. हमारे बचते हैं second and third. Okay, now this one. Okay, the author suggests that application of negative liberty has which of the following effects on the online world? Second para, first para types हम देख सकते हैं. Okay, so yeah. Let's check once quickly and then go and eliminate. Decision making, okay, fine. And then here he says online platforms ka online liberty tend to be those, okay. Yet while there's this, the threat of expanding something, the dominant position, we don't understand the other considerations. है ना? यही बोला है इसने. So I'll go to this now. Okay. It enhances plenty of theoretical perspectives into the democratic idea of self-determination, sovereignty, and voluntary decision making. Don't you think that changes the tone? Application of this to the online world will be something negative. So if you say it enhances, definitely this is wrong. It changes the tone, eliminated. It reinforces the civic engagement and individual choice that many advance in an online evolved world. Reinforces civic engagement, that is communal freedom. Okay, communal liberty. Individual choice, that is positive liberty. ये दोनों meanings दिए हैं. Reinforces this. So if negative liberty reinforces these two, why is the author against negative liberty? So this is also eliminated. We disregard the capacity of the online world to disrupt our ideas of liberty, such as sovereignty and choice. And this one says we may overlook other dimensions of the online world that are as significant as threats of this. Overlook. Let's take this one, go back and prove it. It says here, the threat of expanding this, right? This offers important theoretical perspectives, yet the threat of expanding its dominant position in this threatens us overlooking other equally vital considerations. So don't you think this option rephrases that portion? We may overlook other dimensions, may, like proper balanced word bhi hai, that are as significant as this, so this is good. Why not 3? We disregard the capacity of the online world. Do we disregard the capacity of the online world? Not exactly. We disregard the effect that these things may have. We disregard the effect that other considerations or other aspects may have. So this is just wordplay, जिसको मैं distortion बोलती हूँ. Eliminated. We are done with this. Then ये हो गया हमारा, हाँ right, the last one. Which of the following actions to enhance would the author subscribe to? Now, या तो communal होगा या positive, है ना? Positive बोले तो introspection, reflection, self-regulation. Communal होगा तो engagement, civic participation, ऐसा. So चलो, self-regulation by online platform companies. Self-regulation is good, but would he recommend by online platform companies? Not exactly. This is again distortion. Tough regulation by democratic institutions. Why would he say that? He's talking about positive and communal. So, tough regulation? Definitely not. Bolstering the participation of civic community. This goes with the communal thing. Restrict the discussions among people. This goes against this participation thing, the communal thing. So this is your answer. This question was, I think, pretty moderate. So out of these 4, 2 questions were moderate, 2 questions were slightly on the tougher side. Tougher side bole to, I'm not giving you any difficult questions. Tougher bole to, a little, slightly tougher than the others. ये कहना चाह रही हूँ मैं. तो if these, like, चलो मैं आपको बता देती हूँ इसमें कौन से वो थे. देखो जैसे ये है. Escape from this. This was like directly connected with that sentence, है ना? और यहाँ पे आपका ये बच रहा है और ये बच रहा है. Abandon this and free from the prison of this. This one I would call tricky. Because if you don't know how to eliminate between the last two options, you can mark option 3. जबकि इसमें ये होना चाहिए 1. Correct? So slightly tricky. That doesn't make it difficult. This is just a game of rephrasing जो अभी इस level पे हम खेल रहे हैं. Suggest that this, which of the following effects, it enhances, reinforces. We were left with 3 and 4. Correct? Between 3 and 4, अभी क्या होगा यहाँ पे? Between 3 and 4, if you do not understand this meaning, disregard the capacity of the online world. आप देखोगे disregard तो दिया है, online world तो दिया है, disrupt negative tone में जा रहा है, हाँ यही आंसर हो सकता है. Right? So even this question I would call slightly tricky. The remaining 2, pretty moderate. This one, by bolstering the participation, it's given there directly, बाकी सब negative उसमें जा रहे हैं. So this was moderate. This one was third paragraphs. ये तो मतलब positive and communal liberty, some ways aim to achieve negative and after broader understanding. Clearly, when you get such words, broader understanding and all, और वो तो वहाँ दिया हुआ है आपका, ठीक है? Broader understanding of this, though different in some ways, aim to achieve a similar outcome. You can get tricked by this. Again, हो सकता है ऐसा, ठीक है? But then, like once you do some practice with me, you'll be able to see very clearly between the last 2 options how to achieve it. Like, these 2. Okay, so what is the difference between these 2? दोनों में difference निकाल लिया, then try to prove one. So this one also I would call moderate. अब जैसे मैं क्या, when I say difficult in these episodes, what do I mean by difficult? Difficult किस तरह से, जैसे this one is like totally on a scale of 1 to 10, I would call it 3. Okay, this one I would call maybe 4, and the remaining two I would call probably 5. Yeah. So difficult बोले difficult वाले sense में कोई भी difficult नहीं है. Okay, I hope all the explanations are clear. Keep learning, guys, and keep joining me for these sessions. I love your presence. Thank you so much.